because guess what? The Beyonce coming out soon, and I can give my store credit for that. Hey y'all, it's your girl Bonafide Fox, and I'm back again with another unboxing because I'm a shopaholic and a fashion bully. And the title, you already know what this is, but I want to get into this box. This is how Adidas sent me my package. Adidas, do you know how much money I just sent you? And you want to send me this raggedy behind box? I'm praying that all my items are in here, but I'm for sure gonna complain. And you got the nerve to have this on the tape. It's tampered with. And they left it in my apartment, like, Dropbox. So I can't even complain or deny it. The tape says contents. I need a quality check, and I need to speak to somebody's supervisor because I'm gonna be mad if my stuff not in here. Got the nerve to look at how like the tape isn't even on the box, but you got the nerve for the tape to read. Please confirm acceptance before tampered with. Here's the box. It looks like everything's in there. We'll see, but why don't you botch the box like that? Like, I don't get it. 1, 2, 3 items. Everything might be here, so I can't complain. So the items I got from Adidas are from their collab with Paolina Russo. I don't know much about her, but the items look bomb on the website, and I've seen other designers in her clothes, so I figured, why not try? I got the knit reflective dress in a size medium, which is my true size, and then I have leggings in a matching top in a size large because that's all that was left. There weren't a lot of size options left on the site when I got on there. I think the dress was available in size double extra small, medium, and large, so I got the medium. And then the leggings and top were only available in double extra small, large, and extra large. So they didn't have a medium. We're gonna see if they fit, how they fit. Do y'all wanna see them before I try them on? Let's see. It looks too big. Oh my gosh, I'm sad. It looks too big. This is the top, corset, reflective top. It has the Adidas logo at the bottom. The nice thick straps. Kind of nervous. And then the leggings. The leggings. Ooh, they're kind of see-through. Can you tell? They're kind of see-through. Didn't notice that. Like the details on the side, along with the stripes, racer stripes. And then the bottom gives a little different design. Ooh, hopefully my armpits ain't hairy. If they are, it's been a rough week. I ain't business. And they have the logo right on the waistband. These look big too. When I was thinking that the large might fit me in Adidas, I had Nike in mind, because if you're a Nike girl or you like Nike leggings, you know that sometimes you can go up a size up or down and it's still gonna fit you because how stretchy the material is, and they make their things a little smaller so you can stretch and fit into it. This might not be the case for Adidas, because I know for sure I have some large Nike leggings that fit just as well as my mediums and my smalls. I have all 3 sizes in Nike. Adidas might not be the same. And this is a little different material as well. This is like a knit, a little kind of thick, but then sheer at the same time. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, no, you can't tell. But I hope they can fit. If they can't, I ain't gonna play with them. Okay, because guess what? The Beyonce collection coming out soon. And I can give my store credit for that. Okay, about to try these on. This is the dress, size medium. My waist is a 30, hips are 40, or lack thereof. It's a 40. I don't know if I like it. It's not tight enough for me. Maybe that's the little, I'll just say outside girl in me. I want it to be a little tighter. Then it's a medium. It's not giving me what I want it to give me. I don't know what I would even wear this to. But if you like it, the material is good. It's very stretchy. So I feel like I personally would want a size small. The material is nice and soft against my body. You might need a bra with this. I really don't like when dresses or tops give the illusion of a bra but have no support. So the bra could be down here. I would be down there. Like, there's not a lot of, I don't know. But yeah, I give this a, I probably have to give this a 4 or 5 for me. If you're a little thicker, it might look better. These lines will make you look amazing if you're a little thicker. And then you'll fill out the dress. I just think it's too big for me. It does hug my body, but not tight enough. I need a little tighter. But yeah, I wish it was a small so I could try small. So now that I know that the other items are not gonna fit. Here is the second outfit. As you can see, it's very reflective, even off my ring light. The leggings, I don't know if you can tell, it's just a very baggy. It's not as bad as I thought it would be after trying on the dress. It's a nice length. The reflective part kind of stops right below the knee and changes to a different pattern. I could just see myself in the club standing out, like, you look all casual, walking outside. As soon as you get to the club and the lights start hitting you, glow, sis, glow. It's like kind of big on the waist. These little side things do nothing. I wish it did, like cinch my waist in more, so the fabric doesn't look as big. It probably just looks big to me, because I just like tight clothes. And the top's kind of big here, as you can see. So I wish this like cinched my waist in both sides, but this is just for looks. It does nothing. I try to tighten it, it loosens right back up. So that's kind of fun. Yes, I'm glowing. I actually want to see what it looks like without the ring light. Like if you don't have lights on you. Okay, so if you don't have lights on you, you're out in the daytime, you don't look too crazy. So yeah, this is the Adidas Paloma Russo collection. have any questions, let me know. Unfortunately, these items might be going back. Maybe somebody returned small. But thank you guys for watching this try-on haul unboxing. Like I said, Paolina Russo and Adidas collab. Adidas has been having a lot of nice collabs lately. So hopefully I can get the Beyonce, because you know it's gonna be crazy, like a Jordan drop for King B. If so, I'm gonna bring it to you first, for sure. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I think it's my first time saying that. Ugh. Yeah. I don't know. Just thanks for watching and see you next time.